The moon is used in many English expressions. Therefore, in this lesson, you will learn 7 fascinating moon idioms and what they mean. To be over the moon means to be extremely happy. To use this expression in a sentence, you can say, she was over the moon when she got the job offer. That means she was extremely overjoyed to get the job. Next moon idiom is once in a blue moon. This idiom is used to describe something that rarely happens. If you know someone who doesn't like going to the mall, you can say she goes to the mall once in a blue moon. That means she doesn't go very often. To be moonstruck means someone is so much in love they are unable to think straight. The moonstruck woman stared at her celebrity crush. To the moon and back means to a very high degree or amount, like loving someone or something to the moon and back. It means they are highly loved. Promise the moon. If someone makes a promise that will be difficult to keep, they are promising the moon. The new president promised the moon but hasn't delivered yet. To ask for the moon means to make an unreasonable request, a request that may be difficult to fulfill. You can use this expression to assert that something is not an unreasonable request. For example, it's not asking for the moon to demand overtime work compensation. That means it's not an unreasonable request to demand overtime work compensation. And many moons ago. This expression simply means a long time ago. So next time you hear someone say they're over the moon or that something happened many moons ago, you will know exactly what they mean. Which of these moon idioms is your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun English lessons that are out of this world.